menjadi pintar untuk bekal masa depan bersama.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut. The waters on the bus go squish, 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 squish. The waters on the bus go squish, 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 squish. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down. The babies on the bus go wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah. The babies on the bus go wah wah wah, wah wah down.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello habibi wa habibti. Good morning. How are you? Okay, habibi wa habibti. Welcome back to our video with me Muallimah Aisyah. Habibi wa habibti, what day is today? Okay, today is Monday. And what date is today, habibi wa habibti? Okay, today is April 5th, 2021. And the last, what is our subject for today, habibi wa habibti? Okay, our subject for today is about English. Habibi wa habibti, let's we are going to our topic for today. Our topic for today is about do or does. Habibi wa habibti, do you know what is the function of do and does? Okay, the function of do and does, that's for helping verb. Do and does digunakan sebagai kata kerja bantu dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay, habibi wa habibti, I'm going to explain how to use do and does. Okay, pay attention carefully. Habibi wa habibti, do and does, that's for helping verb. That's right. Yes, do and does for helping verb. Habibi wa habibti, do and does only written in the interrogative sentence. Hanya ditulis di kalimat tanya. While, sedangkan in the answer sentence do and does is loose. Sedangkan di kalimat jawab do and does hilang. Next we are going to the example, habibi wa habibti. The first example is, okay, habibi wa habibti, the first example is bagaimana kamu pergi ke sekolah. How to say in English bagaimana? Yes, bagaimana in English is how. And how to say in English kamu? Okay, kamu in English is you. And how to say in English pergi? Yes, pergi in English is go. And how to say in English ke sekolah? Yes, ke sekolah in English is to school. So, bagaimana kamu pergi ke sekolah in English is how you go to school? Is it right? No, this is wrong. And how the right one, Muallimah? Okay, the right one is, yang benar adalah, the right one is, we must add do or does. Kita harus menambahkan do atau does sebagai kata bantu dalam kalimat tanya. The subject is you. So, we will use do or does, habibi wa habibti. Can you see, habibi wa habibti? Okay. You, I, they, we must use do for helping verb. I want to remind you anymore. Muallimah ingatkan sekali lagi bahwa setiap subjek I, you, they, we, kita menggunakan do sebagai kata kerja bantu dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay, habibi, the wrong one is how you go to school. Why? because there is no do in this sentence. Karena tidak menggunakan kata kerja bantu di dalam kalimat ini. While sedangkan the second sentence is right. Kalimat yang kedua benar. Why Molima? Kenapa Molima? Mengapa Molima? Because the second sentence is use the helping verb. Karena kalimat yang kedua menggunakan kata kerja bantu. How do you go to school? Okay, Habibi Habibti. Now we are going to second example. Kita masuk ke contoh yang kedua. The second example is, contoh yang kedua adalah bagaimana dia perempuan pergi ke sekolah. Please change to English. Okay, how to say in English bagaimana? Okay, bagaimana in English is how. And how to say in English dia perempuan? Yes, dia perempuan in English is she. And how to say in English pergi ke sekolah? Yes, pergi ke sekolah in English is go to school. But don't forget to add the helping verb do or does. Subject is dia perempuan or in English is she. So, which one we will use? Do or does? Can you see Habibi Habibti? Because the subject is she, so we will use does. So, bagaimana dia perempuan pergi ke sekolah in English is how does she go to school? Okay, Habibi Habibti? Okay, Habibi Habibti, now we are going to answer the question. The first answer from the first sentence is, bagaimana kamu pergi ke sekolah? We will change to English. How do you go to school? And the answer is, saya pergi ke sekolah dengan bus. We will change to English. Saya, in English is I, pergi, go to school by bus. Don't forget in answer, jangan lupa dalam menjawab, after subject is verb, setelah subject adalah kata kerja. And the helping verb, do or does, is lost in answer. Dan kata kerja bantu, do atau does hilang ketika kita menjawab pertanyaan. And the second example is, bagaimana dia perempuan pergi ke sekolah? We will change to English. How does she go to school? And how to answer, Habibi Habibti? The answer is, dia perempuan pergi ke sekolah dengan bus. We will change to English. Dia perempuan in English is she. Okay, Habibi Habibti, after subject is verb. Setelah subject adalah kata kerja. Kata kerja is pergi. Pergi in English is go. Okay, because subject is she, so the verb we add s or es. Setiap subjek she, he, it, kata kerja kita tambahkan huruf s atau es. So, go become goes. Jadi, kata kerja pergi, go, kita tambahkan huruf es menjadi goes. Okay, so the complete answer from the second question is, she goes to school by bus. And don't forget, when you answer the question, does is loose. Ketika kamu menjawab, does or do hilang. So the right answer is, she goes to school by bus. Okay, Habibi Habibti, now open your book on page 180. For your home project, please write the question based on the answer. How to make a question, Molima? Okay, I will give you the pattern rumus to make a question. Molima akan memberikan kamu rumus untuk membuat pertanyaan. The pattern are, rumusnya adalah how plus do or does plus subject plus go plus to plus destination, tempat tujuan. We'll give you one example from the answer number 1. The question is, how does Dina go to school? The answer is, she goes to school by bike. Baiklah Mama dan Papa, jadi materi kita pada pagi hari ini yaitu mengenai do and dash. Yang mana do and dash adalah kata kerja bantu dalam bahasa Inggris. Do digunakan ketika subjeknya adalah I, you, they, we. Dalam menjawab pertanyaan dari subjek I, you, they, we, do dihilangkan dan kata kerja tidak ada penambahan huruf. Contoh, how do you go to Medan? I go to Medan by train. Dan untuk soal pertanyaan yang menggunakan subjek she, he, it, menggunakan kata bantu dash. Dan dalam menjawab pertanyaan dari subjek she, he, it, dash dihilangkan dan kata kerja ada penambahan huruf di belakang kata kerja. Contohnya, how dash she go to Medan? She goes to Medan by train. Okay, Habibi Habibti, I think enough for today. I hope you study Hartsfield Beach at home with your parent or another family. And please memorize our surah start number 1 until 23 or 24. Okay, Habibi Habibti, wal akhir I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you and see you for the next week.